Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video we'll be reviewing Timebucks, one of the websites that is actually changing a lot of things in the internet when it comes to make money online. It's get paid to post on TikTok, get paid to view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete captures, etc. Anything you can think of. So that is the website we are going to review today. Meanwhile, just hold on and let's get to the members area. I'm going to show you everything about this website. So guys, this is the members area. I just signed up a few minutes ago and this is it. I have my referral link here. I can refer friends and family and earn 15% of their earnings. So just look at this. This is one thing I like about this website. Recent tax completion in your region. So you see, we have people from various countries. This is India, I believe. Some of these flags, I'm not very familiar with them. But you see, there are people from various nationalities that are actually making good money from this website. So far, this is what I have made. I just signed up and I believe I'll be making good money as well. So that is Timebucks. Now let's check here what you can do to earn. So it's loading. So there are a lot of things that you can actually do to earn money from this website. So we have some surveys here. This is a research company, so basically it's a survey. Peanut Labs is also a survey. And we have AdSense Media. It's also a website like Timebucks that people complete offers and other things to get paid. I'll be making a review of this. We have Revenue Wall as well, also a sister company like AdSense Media. Your surveys, as the name suggests, is for surveys. It's also one of the global companies that is paying. So you can see all these are surveys, and these are people, recent earnings, people who are cashing out. I mean, this just shows that these people have earned just a few minutes ago. So let's check on some tax. So you see, these are a few things you can do. So join social media subscription. Once you join, you are paid something. I mean, just join and you are paid. We have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. Watch a video and you are paid. Is it not interesting? Of course, it is. So you can start a new tax just by clicking here, and once you are approved, you indicate. So we have the surveys. That was what we looked at earlier. So let's see content. And the content, see how to get referrals to any website. So you just have to visit the website and get paid. This is a Bitcoin website. Visit the website and you might be asked to do one thing or the other and you are paid. So I mean, just very simple things. So let's look at this. So this is a YouTube video. So you see, we watch this video and you are paid. Certainly watching this, I'll be paid. That is what it means. It's a video somebody has made about the website. You get it? So simple. And we have the slideshows, we have the capture, vote, engage, push, clicks, and that. Let's look at sign-ups. So referrals. So these are websites that one can join and get paid for joining that. So you see it, very cool way to make money. So this one we are paid 0.112 cents That is not bad, just for watching a video. These are videos, video clips you can watch and get paid. See, TikTok sign up page, setup page, and you are paid. Wow. So let's look at this. Refer friends and family. So this is my referral link. I can copy it, share it with my friends on social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. and I will pay it. You can equally do that, guys. What are you waiting for? So these are the offer wall. You can join, carry out a couple of tasks and get paid. You see, so these are apps that you might have to download. Let's look at AliExpress. Here you might have to buy a product or something. Yeah, remember, it's just a site I'm reviewing now. You can get your link. Sweepstakes, one of my favorites. With sweepstakes, one of my favorites, you see, people are earning. You can earn up to $250, $50, etc. So these are good time, and up to 100 times more tickets. So that is it, guys. Let's look at the ladder. So people are actually earning it. These are earning proofs. For today, someone has made up to $13. I think that is the highest for the day. What is the list for today? You see, the list is a very tall list. You see, all these people are earning from inbox pays. Look at them. So what are you waiting for, guys? Join the table of men and make some money. So you can chat with friends, chat with people and get paid. So that is it, guys. So in short, this is my review for inbox pays. Please subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and leave comments below. I read each and every comment and I reply them. Thank you very much for staying. I'll be leaving a link below which you can use to join this amazing website. Thank you, guys. I'm out for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.